In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to install data analysis tool in Excel. Normally, when you open Excel sheet and add your data, I want to do some analysis. When you come to data, you are supposed to see data analysis tool here. So if it is not appearing, to add it is very simple. So to do that, come to File, come to Option, then come to Add-ins. Then here you see Manage, you see Excel add-in. Click on Go. So you can see that the analysis tool is not checked. So here, check it, check it, check it, and then click on OK. Then you can see now that data analysis tool is now appearing here. So it's quite simple. This is how to do it. Thank you.